Today we have sour punch pickle roulette. These have been behind this thing for like at least 2 months. I just sort of forgot about them, but I found them again and we're trying them. They're all green. They're all sticky. So that one's apple. I need to find a pickle one. That one's a regular.
It'd be funny if they were all
What does
regular.
this taste like 5 minutes? That's a pickle one. It doesn't taste that bad. It's not like very pickly. They're still good. It's just like a little weirder tasting.